Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invest in ETFs on Robinhood. Alright, let's begin. First, open a browser and go to Robinhood's website. Log into your account, and once you're on the home page, navigate to the investing section. Here, you can explore available ETFs. Next, locate the ETF you want to invest in and open its detail page. Scroll down and select Buy, or tap the Trade button. You can then choose between buying in dollars or shares. After selecting your preferred option, choose the recurring investment and order type. Enter the start date, frequency, payment method, and dollar amount. If you prefer, you can also trade fractional shares of ETFs, which allow you to invest in smaller portions of a share instead of purchasing a full one. Once you've set your investment preferences, confirm your order. Robinhood will process the trade, and your ETF investment will be added to your portfolio. So, that's basically how you can invest in ETFs on Robinhood. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.